How's it going, guys? Welcome back. It's Keith. Just a short update here. Just a new build I'm gonna start today. It's gonna be one of my side projects, but this one should be straightforward, as I've done many of these, as you know. And this is the first Aoshima one of it. This is the first Fujimi R34 I've done. Well, gonna do with the BNR front bonnet and bumper. So the V-spec, that's the V-spec bonnet, and then the BNR bumpers. So yeah, it's an Aoshima kit, or Fujimi kit. I'm very sorry. I just wanted something that I could just get together and get into. I sort of lost a bit me mojo in the building game, as you get like that every now and then. You decide like, oh, I'm not in the air, but like I have a couple of projects, as you know, on the bench that are just about done. So I just decided, why not start a new one? It comes moulded in the Bayside blue that R34s are famous for, and it comes with the LMGT 4 wheels. But I'm gonna change the colour, obviously. Nice thing about this body is it has the indicators and the little vents on the bumper, which just there I've just hand drilled out all the vent holes to make them like usable, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I did only open it just to have a look at the body, give it a bit of sanding, and just to clean a bit of flash off it, and drill out the holes that needed drilling. Same with the grill on the front, as you can see, it's see-through now. So I just done that before I start the build. So yeah, just something to do that's different from the other cars that I have on the bench. They're nearly finished. I did just 3D print a set of what do you call it? Vossen wheels. There they are. So I might use these on it. They're not long out of the 3D printer. They've just been under the UV light curing. So I just took them back out of it, out from underneath the UV light. I mixed blue resin, and I had more green resin see-through, but I mixed a brand new bottle of blue in with it. But I didn't seem to change the colour too much. But when the curing light is on the wheel itself, it lights up blue. So it's like the blue is all on the inside of the wheel. But yeah, they're called Vossen wheels. I'm gonna put these on it just because they have the extra little bit additional lip and all on them, you know. The wheels that come with the kit are Whopper wheels anyway, but I just want to change it, you know, make it look a little bit different. But again, it's the first Fujimi Skyline I've ever picked up, and it's the first one I'm ever going to build. So it's a straightforward build. It won't take too long. I just want to show you the other wheels that are 3D printed. I 3D printed them and spray painted them white, and they're for the RX3, the buddy building me and Mike. So yeah, I 3D printed them. Yeah, I bought the foils for all the wheels that I 3D print. There's a few sets that I got for free that anybody can get for free. But the likes of all the good wheels you have to pay for. Like these, for instance, the Blitz 03s with the bullet lug nuts. That's paint that's sticky on them now. What happened was I left them beside me PlayStation, that one, after I painted it, and because the resin wasn't fully cured, it made it a little bit sticky. So yeah, yeah, and there they are, they're fresh out of the printer. So they need cleaning up. As you can see, female fitment. I've done most of my wheels in female fitments because it's easy to change them to male. Once you have a little peg to glue into the centre of the female circle. So yeah, just a little quick upload to let people know, yeah, I'm still here, because a couple of guys, Shamey and Russell and that, reached out over the week to see where I was, because you haven't seen much posting. So again, I just sanded this body down a few minutes ago, getting a bit of flash off it. It's gonna need more sanding because the scratches are a bit deep. So I'm gonna have to light sand it, wet sand it, and prime it. It's a straightforward build. I should have it done within inside a week if I get just stick to it, like. But yeah, the RX3, it's just the interior. I don't know whether to use the stock seats or to use 2 racing seats, because of it being with a wide body and the aftermarket wheels I'm putting on it. So yeah, I might put a set of Ricardos in it in the front, and you'd leave the back stock seats. So I painted the chrome. That, as you know, this sprue is it's usually a black, what colour was it? Yeah, black. It's a black sprue, but I spray painted the chrome out of a can, that is. They're the exhausts off the RX3. Now I have 3D printed exhaust, as you know, but I think I'll go with that oval shape under, because you get a little head that goes over that as well. That's on the chrome tree. So yeah, I will go with that exhaust pipe on it. But yeah, just letting you know, everything's all good. Thanks for checking in, guys. For the guys that checked in. Yeah, I'm a little bit behind on a few videos, posts of my own, and catching up on a few channels. I've been doing it yesterday. I've done it to a few channels, and the day before, getting caught up to date with them. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see more, and I'll upload updates, maybe a final, in the next couple of days. Anyway, lads, have a good day, stay safe, model on. Oh, and again, Chris, my prayers are with Chris's family and friends from Classic Plastic 101. May he rest in peace, pillar of the community, as we know. Very nice guy to talk to. I did speak to him to the year I built the B4 legacy wagon for the cancer awareness build. That's when I found out he had cancer himself. But and he was out straight about not wanting no pity, nothing like that. He was just a straightforward guy. He just wanted to just mention it himself, that he was going through it. That was all. But he was a nice guy, and yeah, sometimes like you wish you got to know them a bit more, you know, before they passed away or whatever. But being in another country and different time zones, it always clashed with trying to catch each other up on each other's videos and comments and that. But we did get a few in and out comments and whatnot, you know. But again, prayers are with his family and friends, close friends and relatives. May he rest in peace as well. So, all the way from Ireland, we loved old Chris. He had a lot to offer, and he taught us a lot in modelling as well. So yeah, lads, I'll leave it on that note. Shout out to everybody else that has said kept Chris in their prayers and their memories. Thanks a lot for that. These are all awesome. The community gets behind everybody. It's a great community, and it is a nice thing to see it. Like, if someone's in need of help or something happens, that it actually affects everybody, you know. So it just shows that the hobby brings us all together, if you know what I'm saying. But anyway, have a good day, stay safe, and model on, guys. Keep out. Have a good one. Bye bye.